Are you afraid to take the leap into entrepreneurship? Let Aman Gupta's journey with Boat inspire you to make that jump. Aman Gupta, co-founder of Boat, started with the vision to create audio products that weren't just gadgets but a lifestyle accessory. In a market dominated by international giants, his strategy was simple yet profound. Focus on the aspirational value without compromising on quality. Imagine this. Within just a few years, Boat became synonymous with stylish, durable, and affordable audio gear. How? Aman believed in relentless innovation and smart marketing. He tapped into the pulse of the youth, harnessing the power of social media and celebrity endorsements to build not just a brand, but a community. His approach wasn't just about selling products. It was about creating an identity that resonated with millions. So, to all the budding entrepreneurs out there, remember, vision, passion, and perseverance can turn